Well, we got everything moved out of the way. You guys saw what it looks like. It was a big old tree came down, and we got turkey cameras out here ready for spring turkey. Put a ground blind in right in here somewhere, and right out behind me here we'll put some decoys. But it looks good in here now. Got everything cleaned up. Got a couple more loads of branches he's picking up, and then we're gonna move on to the next project. This is a message to Nathan. You may be 5'6", and you may know jujitsu, but I've watched a lot of Liam Neeson movies, so I will find you and I will kill you.